Hello. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, and the topic is so important, and yet it is very overlooked and very least understood subject. And that's the main reason why this topic has become even more important. And the topic is men's mental health. Now, do you know that June and November are 2 months dedicated for men's mental health awareness? And its significance is even more important in today's world where there is a lot of stress and the changing situations are also one of the contributing factors of getting worse and worse mental health among everyone, but more so in men. So the reason why men have more issues with mental health because we condition them accordingly. We condition in a way that is not very helpful. What we tell our young boys when they are little, that don't cry like a baby, and be strong, you are a man. We tell our grown up men that you are supposed to be strong and you are not supposed to show your weakness. Don't be you know weak or something. And that's the reason that they just don't open up to other people, and then they suffer within and internally. Another very disturbing fact is that men are more prone to suicide as well, and also heart disease and heart attacks. Now you might have observed that as well. Unfortunately, this video I have to make because I personally knew a lot of men who committed suicide in the recent past, and that was so shocking for me. So when it is someone that you knew, and that's when it affects you, and that's when it makes you think that whether I am even aware of this aspect or not. And that's why I decided to raise awareness about this particular topic. So in the parenting channel, why am I saying all these things? Because our children are affected by parents' mental health as well. Suppose a child is living in an environment where parents are struggling with their own mental health. I have already discussed, the effect of mother's mental health and its effect on the children. But we have not discussed this aspect. So I thought today let's discuss how men's mental health can affect the children. So if the children are growing in an environment where men is not able to take care of themselves, then they suffer very silently. First thing, they observe their fathers, that their fathers are having tantrums. Sometimes they are aggressive, and that can negatively impact the children as well, because they then experience childhood trauma because of the unsettled environment that is the result of poor mental health. And also, they themselves will become aggressive because they see it as a norm if they don't take any action, especially if the parents don't seek help, or the parents don't take any treatment or any therapy, and they don't change their situation. Then that becomes a norm for the children, and then this cycle can get repeated in future as well. And another issue is that if this is one scenario, and another scenario is that the child can totally become withdrawn, and the child also starts to suffer from mental health issues. Now we don't want any of them. So what to do about this is, we have to first identify that mental health issues can happen to anyone, irrespective of gender or age or any section of the society, or any demographic. It can affect everyone, and hence we all must pay attention to it, and be serious that this is an issue that I need to address. If there is an issue, I can solve it. See, I always say that if I have got aches and pains in my body, like then I'll just go and see the doctor. But if my mind is in pain, why I will not go? So this is a very simple reason I give to everyone, who suffers from any mental health issues or something, because it's really common nowadays. But still we are very ashamed sometimes to go and seek help, where actually you can do a lot, and there is always hope, and there are a lot of options that you can explore, and you can get better. So take care of your own mental health, and do it for not only yourself, but also for your family and society as well. So if you are a man watching this, then please pay attention and seek help. Help is available always, and in lot of different forms as well. So, and a lot of different options are there. So until next time, be mindful and happy parenting.